Safety. This is the most common concern of every Indian parent who want to send their child to Russia for MBBS. And it's a question that gets very vague answers, but today I'll be very clear and honest with you about the complete picture of safety in Russia for Indian students. So let's talk about the city safety first. The major cities in Russia like Moscow, St. Petersburg, Tver, Perm and Kazan, they are mostly safe. Public spaces are generally safe. Law enforcement is very good in Russia. Indian students have been living there in Russia since many decades and they have been safe over there. Now let's talk about the campus safety. The campus is generally very safe and secure. You will get Okhranas, the security guards in every department of your university, and also the hostels. The hostels have usually the female Okhranas because Russia is mostly women dominated country and they are very helpful, and the boys hostel also has female Okhranas and some male Okhranas as well. You know, when you go to Russia, you will find seniors that will help you with everything. The Indian student community in Russian universities is actually very tight and knit. They will help you with everything. Now let's talk about the travel safety. A few important tips from my side. Russia जाने से पहले please download Yandex Maps and Yandex Taxi in case you want to navigate via taxi. Learn basic phrases in Russian language in case of any emergency situation. Also, please save the emergency contact numbers in your phone, including the METC's number. Now, the most important question. Let's talk about the girl safety in Russia. Are girls actually safe in Russia? I have been in Russia for so many years, for 6 years, and I can tell you there wasn't a single day when I didn't feel safe. Girls' hostels are built separately and every hostel has female security guard. Your child will never feel unsafe inside the hostel. Female students have been studying in Russia for so many years now. I have been there as well and I can tell you लड़कियां वहाँ safe हैं अगर वो prepared होके जाती हैं और aware रहती हैं अपनी situation के बारे में. Safety in Russia is generally manageable with the right preparation and right support system, and that's exactly what Medsi education provides. If you want to know more, DM us today for free counseling, or you can also contact us via the link in bio.